Hello everyone. In this video, we're gonna look up the sections on the HuntMe web platform named My Applications and save it. So first one is My Applications. What you see here, you see here the applications that the job offer that you have applied to, right? So here's the filter on top of this window. First one is pending, rejected. The another one interview, offer sent, hired, and AI interview. So what you see here, the pending, what does it mean? So these are the vacancies that you have applied to, but you are uh, still on the pending list of those companies. I mean, the companies, they did not open your application yet, and they did not apply you to move forward to the next step of the hiring process, right? So, and here you can withdraw your application by this button here, or check out the full information of this vacancy, right? So, on top of it, on top of this window here, you will see the position, update specialist, right? And under it, there's the company name, the location, again, the salary, and how long does this post exist? I mean, it was posted five days ago, right? And then the key responsibilities, required skills, and required languages. So full info about the vacancy, right? Job details, no experience, work type is it should be on site, and then the shift is night shift. All right, the company name and the company review. All right. And let's go back here and go to the rejected section. What you see here is the applications, the job offers that rejected your application. Okay. So you apply to the job and the company check your profile and they didn't like you, and then they reject your application. So you will see the list of those companies here on this section. Okay. The next section is interview. Okay, so here we have a premium job. What does it mean? So the companies, they have two options for the job post. Okay, so first one is the regular job, and the another one is the premium job. What what is the difference between regular and the premium job? When they choose the regular job offer, they will interview you personally. I mean, the company staff, maybe HR manager or the HR specialist, they're gonna interview you personally by the text messaging. Okay, but when they choose the premium job, there's the function AI interview. It will help them to sort out the candidates. Okay, so if you go to a premium job for an interview, you will talk to the artificial intelligence. Okay, and then artificial intelligence will take an interview from you and will check if you match the requirements of the company and if you're gonna be a good staff for this company. Okay, so how do you take this interview, like AI interview, right? So you go to the notifications section here, and as you can see here, the first message, first email here is from this company, HuntMe Group, and they are asking us to take the AI interview with the artificial intelligence, right? So by clicking this button here, you go to this section, take an interview. All right, let's go back now. All right, by clicking this button, you will take an you will take an interview with the artificial intelligence. All right, let's go back here to the interview section. So you already got this, right? So the next section is offer sent. So what vacancies are these? These are the vacancies that the companies, they when the company accept your application and they sent you the link to the interview and you pass that interview with AI, with the company staff, doesn't matter, they sent you a job offer. So they are ready to hire you to their company and they send you a job offer, right? And the list of those companies will be here in this section, offer sent section. So how to apply, I mean, how to accept the job offer? Again, you go to the notifications section, right? Here, if you can see here, the third message here is a job offer, right? You click on this one, and then you see this message. You have received a job offer from HuntMe Group for the position of dispatcher. Please review and respond. All right. Before 27th of November. Why? Because the job offer has a function to expire the offer. Right? So when the company sends you the offer, they have a function to put the expired date. I mean, if they put 2 days, so within 2 days, you only have 2 days to accept this job offer. If you don't accept it in these 2 days, they will hire another one. I mean, you have been rejected. This means like this. All right. So how to accept? Just by clicking this button. All right. Okay, let's go back to my applications of percent hired. So it's obvious in this section, you will see the companies that hire you to their company. All right. AI interview is the almost the same thing with the interview and the AI interview, but the difference is in the interview section, you will see the company, I mean, the applications, job offers. They invited you to the interview, but not with the artificial intelligence, but a person. Okay. All right. The next window is the save it window. So what you see here, it's really simple. Here you will have see the job offers that you have saved it for yourself. Okay. On the find the job section, you'll see the um, job offer here, job post, right? And you want to save this job post to check a bit later, right? You don't have time, but you like this job. I mean, you see the job offer here, and you still like it. You just save it here, and it will go to the save it section. That's it, and you can apply it from here. Okay. All right, this is it. Thank you for watching and stay with HuntMe.